Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. The city of Melbourne is proud to support lively street culture and greatly values the diversity of entertainment that buskers provide within public places. Busking is a public performance in exchange for a donation. This may include playing of a musical instrument, singing, giving a recitation, or performing any conjuring, juggling, puppetry, mime, dance, or other entertainment, or doing any of those things concurrently. Busking also includes pavement art such as chalk art, drawing, and painting. Come join us. Let us enjoy together this busking street performance. In Melbourne, Australia.
Thank you very much. We're going to play these songs. Hopefully they like the music. This next one is called Canon in D. It's a bit of a classical track. Our version's a bit more modern. If you like it in the cities there, you're going to buy them. And yeah, thank you very much for listening. This one's called Canon.
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.